Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. British blue kitty. Or British Shorthair. Just kind of quickly mapping in my shapes. I am going 4 times the speed here and voicing over. Just aiming at the important parts, not worrying about a lot of excessive details, just blocking in the general shape. And correcting as I go. If at first you don't succeed, try again, for the one part or for the whole drawing. Felt like that body was a bit too long, so I'm kind of changing it here. And it doesn't have to be exact. I mean, the whole idea is it's an interpretation. It's your own interpretation of your subject, and it's your expression, self-expression through your drawing. I find if I try to fix absolutely everything and make it exactly like what I see, that's when it ends up looking stiff and lifeless. And the thing is, I've drawn from life quite a bit, and you have to draw quickly when you draw from life because cats move. So just that background experience really helps to just get the essence down. So I hope you do draw your own cat from life. There's no experience like it. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat. Tell me where you live in the world or whatever. I just love to hear from you. I'm not happy with the ear on our right-hand side, so I'm going to be fixing that too. It's a little bit too far over. That whole side of the head is a bit too far over, so we'll fix that up soon here. And we're going to speed up here too to 8 times the speed to finish it up. So we'll fix that ear. That's better. Fits more in with the rest of the kitty. Few expression lines. Yeah, even better now. Forgot how many times I corrected it. That's what erasers are for. And you definitely want to work out your mistakes in the drawing stage, especially if you're going to be using your drawing for painting. Get it all worked out in the drawing. It's basically a rough draft and a big learning experience. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.